What's up, guys? Today, we're building a jump out of rotten wood. Over the past couple of weeks, we've been working on building and perfecting our backyard trail system. So far, everything we built has been extremely fun and actually works, except for this. This is a sketchily and hastily built double that was not only poorly made, but poorly thought out. Today, we're fixing it.
So we've been looking around for some logs, and this looks like the best one for what we need it for.
Well, I'm actually using a very technical procedure to get rid of these nubs on this so we'll be able to ride it. Maybe a saw.
So, after a little while of cutting, we got rid of all of those nubs and flattened out the top, and we had ourselves a log that was ready to be used.
Whoa, no. You're not using that wood? This is for other things.
What are you going to use it for?
Not for that.
Fine, give me a piece of wood.
Use the cheap one.
Well, for whatever reason, my brother's $5 Home Depot wood was off limits for this build, so we were forced to use some really thin, almost paper thin wood. It was horrible, and you'll see what I mean later. Once we finished cutting our wood to size, we drilled it into the log so that we'd have a nice and flat surface to ride. I made sure to add a support plank on the bottom to keep it from wobbling out of place, and that actually ended up being pretty helpful since it is a dead log and it can easily wobble out of place.
Sounds delightful, doesn't it?
Time to test it. I think we might have shredded a little too hard. Or perhaps these planks just were not up to the job.
Sounds delightful, doesn't it?
Back to the miter box. Guess we'll have to remember not to work with bad wood. At least we'll be able to test it tomorrow.
You gotta be kidding me. It's literally the middle of April. Bruh. Go.
Might as well take advantage, right?
Darn it, guys.
It somehow all melted and was literally 60 the next day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Ruthie, come. Good girl. You're so smart. You're so good.